Let's make a super easy spring wreath. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so Dollar Tree has these wreaths of wood beads, and I had used all the beads off of one of them, but I saved the wire part. So I also have this garland I had gotten from Michael's, and they're like foam balls, perfect spring colors, but it was broken. Obviously, I got it for like $2. It was crazy. So what I'm going to do is I straightened out that wire from the wood beads, and we're just going to poke the little foam balls onto the form, and then we're going to cover it completely. And so easy. I mean, it's so easy too because this was a garland, so there's already a hole in it, so it's easy. So we're just going to, I did it a pattern. I did like, purple, off-white, I think it was green, then orange. Like we're going to do that all the way around. And again, these are like foam. It's almost like they're plastic coated foam balls. The interesting thing about them is that they're like almost squishy, like you could almost dent them. It's weird. But anyways, so you're going to go all the way around. The thing is, you're going to start seeing some of these come out now at Michael's and Joann's and all of the places. So you might be able to score one like me from clearance. The other thing though that you could do is you could totally do like Easter eggs, or you could do wood beads. So many options, so many pom-poms. Oh, now I got another idea. I might have to do a pom-pom one, but this one is for tonight. We're going to keep doing this all the way around. It comes on a big string, so we'll see. We'll use that string for something else. But yeah, I'll be honest with you. I just needed a really easy project, or at least I thought it was going to be a really easy project. This part was super easy. I'm not going to lie. But then I got to doing my messy bow. And I don't know if anybody has done a messy bow with the Bow Dabra. I tried doing one that was like the loops. And friends, I don't think that I am a put together bow kind of person. I just don't think I am. I think I am a messy bow girl because I wound up cutting it. You'll see it in a few minutes. I did the messy bow and you'll see. It's a messy bow and it's okay. But anyways, so we're just going to keep doing this all the way around. And then once you get to the end, I'm using some pliers and I'm just going to curl that end in so that we can hook it onto the little loop that was there. And then I'm going to take my pliers again and we're just going to curl the wire around just so that it is, so that it doesn't come apart. Now, perfect, right? Adorable. Here's the messy bow that I was telling you about. I like it messy, but I did do it with the little loops and it wasn't there for me. I used some fabric and I actually wrapped the fabric around the metal part because I thought it needed it. Then I have the messy bow and it's just made with strips of fabric that I tore. Adorable, right? Like super easy, and simple. And I know that again, I know it's not for everybody, but man, if you're looking for just simple and easy and, not a whole bunch of bells and whistles, this is it. Like this is a good accompanying decor piece that you could put with a bunch of other things. And it could be a starting piece for you too. Like this could be an idea, the beginnings. I don't know. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching and I hope this inspires you.